Why does your scanner show the P0989 engine code? What does it mean? P0989 is a diagnostic trouble code. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, switch E circuit low. This error code indicates a malfunction with the low transmission fluid level, a bad transmission fluid pressure sensor, and corroded or loose wires and connectors. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low transmission fluid, faulty sensor, wiring and connector issues, other electrical problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like GMC, Buick, and Cadillac. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.